Have you ever wondered what you would do if you suddenly came into a large sum of money? It's a question that's probably crossed your mind at some point, right? Whether it's through a sudden windfall, a successful business venture, or even the lottery. The thought of acquiring wealth is intriguing, to say the least. Now, the common misconception is that once you get your hands on a significant amount of money, it's time to splurge, right? Buy that fancy car, move into a luxurious mansion, or maybe jet off to an exotic location. While these are all exciting prospects, they often lead to short-lived joy and long-term financial instability. Instead, what if we told you that the real power lies not in spending, but in upgrading? Yes, you heard that right. Upgrading, not just your material possessions, but aspects of your life that yield long-term benefits and a higher quality of life. Think about it. Money provides an opportunity, a chance to enhance your life in ways that go beyond materialistic pleasures. It's about investing in areas that nurture growth, stability, and personal development. Imagine upgrading your mindset, transforming the way you perceive the world and yourself. Or enhancing your education, opening doors to knowledge and opportunities. Consider the impact of upgrading your health, making conscious choices that promote longevity and well-being. The power of upgrading extends to your network, your habits, your living environment, your equipment, personal style, experiences, financial literacy, and even your contribution to society. Each of these elements, when upgraded, can significantly transform your life, creating a ripple effect of positive change and growth. So, instead of splurging on short-lived pleasures, consider the long-term benefits of investing in these upgrades. It's about making choices that not only enhance your present, but also secure a better future. And remember, the goal isn't just to acquire wealth, but to use it as a tool to create a fulfilling, well-rounded life. It's about understanding that true wealth lies not in what you have, but in who you become through the power of upgrading. It's time to discover the 11 things you should prioritize upgrading once you get money. The first and most crucial upgrade is your mindset. Now you might ask, why mindset? Well, it's simple. Your mindset shapes your world. It determines how you perceive, interact with, and respond to everything around you. Let's talk about a growth mindset. This is the belief that abilities and intelligence can be developed through dedication and hard work. It's about embracing challenges, persisting in the face of setbacks, and seeing effort as the path to mastery. It's about learning from criticism and finding lessons and inspiration in the success of others. And when it comes to failures, remember, they're not the end, but rather stepping stones to success. They're opportunities to grow, to learn, to improve. Staying motivated is key. It fuels your journey towards success. It's the driving force that keeps you going when things get tough. And so, if you're looking to upgrade anything, start with your mindset. Remember, a wealthy mindset leads to a wealthy life. Next on the list, upgrade your education. You see, education isn't just about the degrees you earn or the institutions you attend. It's an ongoing process of acquiring new skills and expanding your knowledge base. It's about staying curious, being open to change, and never settling for what you already know. Think about your areas of interest or potential business ventures. What could you learn that would propel you forward? Maybe it's a new language that opens doors to international markets. Or perhaps it's advanced coding skills that can bring your tech startup to life. It could even be a deep dive into psychology to better understand your customers. Remember, in the modern world, knowledge is power. The more you know, the more opportunities you create for yourself, so don't hesitate, invest in your education. After all, as the saying goes, invest in your knowledge, it pays the best interest. Before we move on to the next upgrade, if you're enjoying this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. Every click, every thumbs up, every subscription, it all matters, and it all helps us to bring you more of the content that inspires and motivates you. We're here to help you make the most of your potential, and your support fuels our mission. Thirdly, upgrade your health. You see, your body is the vessel that carries you through this journey of life. It's the vehicle that allows you to interact with the world. If that vehicle isn't well maintained, how can you expect to reach your destination? So let's put some premium gas in that engine. This means investing in your physical health through balanced nutrition. Your body needs the right fuel to function optimally. Eating a variety of fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and grains is a sure way to keep your engine running smoothly. Next, exercise. It's the oil that keeps your vehicle's parts moving without friction. Regular physical activity keeps your body and mind in top shape, allowing you to tackle any roadblocks that come your way. Lastly, don't forget the importance of regular checkups. Just like a car, your body needs occasional tune-ups to ensure everything is working as it should. Remember, your health is an investment, not an expense. Fourth on the list, upgrade your network. Imagine a world where you're constantly surrounded by positive, inspiring, and successful individuals. These are the people who will challenge you, push you towards your goals, and support you during your journey. They're the ones who provide you with fresh perspectives, innovative ideas, and valuable advice. Think about it. When you're with people who are driven, ambitious, and prosperous, their energy and mindset rub off on you. You start thinking big, dreaming big, and acting big. You become more open to opportunities and more resilient to setbacks. You start to see the world not as a series of obstacles, but as a playground of possibilities. The right network can open doors for you that you didn't even know existed. It can elevate your thinking, your actions, and your life. So remember, never underestimate the power of the company you keep. After all, your network is your net worth. The fifth upgrade is your habits. Habits, they're the unsung heroes of success. The little things you do every day that build up over time to create massive change. If you've ever found yourself stuck in a rut, it's often because of ingrained habits that aren't serving you. So how do you change them? First, identify a habit you want to change. Then, understand the trigger for this habit. What makes you do it? Once you've identified the trigger, it's time to replace the bad habit with a good one. This isn't easy. It requires consistency and commitment, but believe me, it's worth it. Imagine replacing the habit of hitting the snooze button with the habit of getting up and exercising first thing in the morning. It might seem small, but over time, this can lead to better health, more energy, and a more productive day. After all, we are what we repeatedly do. Next up, upgrade your living environment. Your surroundings can greatly influence your mood, productivity, and overall mental health. Imagine finding yourself in a chaotic, cluttered space. The chances are you would feel overwhelmed and your focus might waver. Contrast this with a clean, organized, and inspiring environment. You'd likely feel more in control, motivated, and ready to conquer the day. Consider your living space as an extension of your mind. When it's cluttered, your thoughts may feel the same, but when it's clean, organized, and filled with things that inspire you, your thoughts can be clear and focused too. Invest in creating a space that serves your needs and reflects who you are. Make it a place where you can be your most productive self. Fill it with items that motivate you, colors that energize you, and spaces that allow you to relax and recharge. Create a space that inspires you daily. Seventh on the list, upgrade your equipment. You see, the tools you use in your profession or business play a crucial role in how effectively and efficiently you operate. Just as a chef needs a sharp knife to create culinary masterpieces, you too need quality equipment to excel in your field. Imagine trying to build a house with a blunt saw or paint a picture with frayed brushes. It's not impossible, but it's certainly more challenging. Now consider how much smoother the process would be with the right, high-quality tools. Investing in superior equipment is not an expense, but an investment. An investment in your productivity, your quality of output, and ultimately, your success. It's about equipping yourself with the means to deliver your best work every single time. Remember, your tools are an extension of your skills and your passion. They should empower you, not hinder you. The right tools can make all the difference. Next, upgrade your personal style. This is more than just about the clothes you wear. It's about expressing your unique personality, your values, and your aspirations. It's about feeling comfortable in your own skin and confident in your appearance. When you dress in a way that truly represents who you are, you're making a statement about your individuality. It's like a visual resume that speaks volumes about you before you even utter a word. Your personal style can influence not only how others perceive you, but also how you perceive yourself. Consider this. When you're dressed in attire that makes you feel empowered, you're more likely to act with confidence. You'll walk taller, speak with conviction, and project a positive image. This, in turn, can elevate your interactions, your productivity, and your overall sense of well-being. So take the time to discover your personal style. Invest in pieces that reflect your personality and make you feel good. Remember, dress how you want to be addressed. 9th on the list, upgrade your experiences. Imagine the world as a book, and those who do not travel read only one page. When you invest in experiences like travel, you're not just buying a ticket to a new destination. You're investing in a new perspective, a broader understanding of the world, and memories that last a lifetime. Cultural immersion is another incredible experience to invest in. The opportunity to live, work, or study in a different culture, to learn its customs, language, and traditions, is an invaluable experience that enriches your life and broadens your horizons. Unique activities, too, are worth investing in. Whether it's a cooking class in Italy, a skydiving adventure in New Zealand, or a meditation retreat in India, these experiences can teach you new skills, challenge your limits, and bring you joy and fulfillment. So remember, the value of experiences far exceeds that of material possessions. Invest in experiences, not things. 10th, upgrade your financial literacy. Now, this might sound a bit daunting, especially if you're not a numbers person, but let me assure you, understanding how money works is not rocket science. It's all about knowing how to manage, grow, and protect your wealth. Think of it as a game where you're the player and money is the score. You want to increase your score, right? That's where budgeting comes into play. It's your game plan, your strategy. And just like in any game, there are risks involved. That's where investing comes in. It's your offensive play, your chance to score big. But what about defense? That's planning for the future. It's your safety net, your protection against unexpected events. And let's face it, life is full of those. So don't shy away from learning about money. Embrace it. Because let's be honest, who doesn't want to win at the money game? Remember, financial freedom starts with financial literacy. Lastly, upgrade your contribution. Life is a two-way street, and as much as we receive, it's equally important to give. When we think about upgrading ourselves, we often focus on personal gains, new skills, more knowledge, better habits. But an essential part of personal growth is about contributing to the world around us, making a positive impact, and giving back to the community. Think about it. What's the use of all the knowledge, skills, and wealth if they're not used to make the world a better place? It's through contribution that we find true fulfillment and happiness. Whether it's volunteering your time, sharing your knowledge, or donating to a cause that you're passionate about, every little bit counts. Your contribution doesn't have to be monumental. It's about making a difference, however small it may seem. So upgrade your contribution. Start giving back today. After all, true wealth is not about what you have, but what you give. So there you have it. The 11 things to upgrade immediately once you get money. Each of these upgrades is a step towards a better, more successful and fulfilling life. Remember, the journey towards success is not a sprint, but a marathon. It requires patience, perseverance, and a commitment to continuous learning and growth. Please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. Remember, your success journey starts with the decision to upgrade. Always believe in yourself. I will see you in the next video.